Hello everyone, welcome back to our ApparelWin channel. This is Tina. So we already made some videos about how to develop sample with us, but it seems like some of you are still confused about how to work with us. So today we are going to talk about how to work with us and how to make your design or sketch to an actual piece of garment. The first thing, of course, is a kickoff meeting. We can hold a face-to-face meeting in our office, or if you can't make it here, we can hold a meeting on WhatsApp or FaceTime video. This meeting is aiming at getting to understand your brand, to know your demands and your requirements. Basically, we plan out everything in this meeting, and you can send us your tag pack, your drawing or your sketch, or even a reference pictures to us, so that we know that what is exactly in your mind. It doesn't matter like if you have professional design files or not, because we have professional team here to help with your amazing collection. And soon, right after the meeting, you will have your first quote of your sample fee and then your final price of your order. Secondly, we're going to make a sample for your design. In this process, we will source all kinds of different fabric for you and present you with our best options. We will make sure that every single details will meet your expectation, and then we confirm the sample with you. You know that fabric choice is a very significant part during the whole process because it will directly affect the final textures of your garment. We hope that by working with us, we can inspire our designer to make their design even better, because we are right next to Zhongda fabric market, which is one of the biggest fabric markets in China. If you want, we can make a market video tour in the future and see what's going on in that big market. We can always source you those very specific kind of fabric or clothing accessory that you want in any kind of textures, color, or quality. There are many industrial platforms in LA as well, but their supply chains and vendors are very separate. It's very hard to communicate and control. But by working with us, you can clearly see all the supply chain and vendors that we work with, and they're very trustworthy because we guarantee you the best quality. After sourcing all the fabric and accessories that you need, we are going to make you a sample pattern. Our pattern maker will make or build a digital pattern for you, and you actually own it, which means that next time when you are going to publish a very similar collection of clothes, you won't make any pattern again. Again, I just want you to know that we do provide everything that you need to publish your quality collection. The third part is the cutting and sewing part. This is extremely exciting because this is where the magic happens. We're going to put all the material and every single piece of material that we create or produce before and present you with our final sample garment. Last but not least is after we confirm the sample with you guys, we'll ship the sample to our very professional factories, and they will make their productions, and we will ship it to you at the end when it's done. Now we do have a lot of brands that is in the process already, and some of the brands are very satisfied when they finally get their orders. So I hope that this video did answer some of your questions, and it helps you to better understand how to work with us. If you have any kind of question or confused, please message me and I will try to respond to you as soon as possible. Well, that's everything for today. I hope to see you next time. Bye.